Hello! Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So, pupunta tayo sa work. Today is my working day. First day of work. Oop! That's it. Mr. is right there. Bye-bye! See you later! I'm a bit early. 6:46 na dito ng umaga. Normally, nagsiset off ako 6:50. We need to make a good impression. Yung weather ngayon, makulimlim mga palangga. It's gloomy. So magdadrive muna ako mga palangga. So I'll see you after work.
Many hours later.
I am done with my shift. So today mga palangga is not as bad. Nag-expect ako ng worst. And okay naman. Wala namang mga surprises. Ako kasi pag nag-holiday ako ng matagal, pagbalik ko sa trabaho, I always tend to expect the worst para hindi ako ma-disappoint ba. Medyo busy ngayon ha. 17 degrees ngayon ha. Look who's here. Pipa and Phoebe. So, 4 o'clock na dito mga palangga. 4:11 na dito ng hapon. Masakit yung paa ko. So, nag-shower na ako. All freshen up. So, anyway, yung hapunan natin is fried rice and ham lang. Yun lang kasi yung madaling lutuin. Nalagyan ko siya ng kaunting pepper. Pinapainit ko na yung mantika. Lalagyan natin ng kaunting onion powder. Ito yung leftover natin. Leftover rice. One more egg mga palangga. Nilagyan ko siya ng toyo. Yan. And then dito naman mga palangga, meron akong pinapainit na mantika. And instead na ham yung gagamitin natin or ham yung ulam natin, spam na lang yung ulam natin. Sobrang init na to ba? Ay! Hinaan natin yung apoy. Mag-a-add ako ng cheese. Luto na yung ating fried rice. Honey! She's ready. So, ito na siya mga palangga. Simple lang. Yan. There you go. Kain! Come on. Before it gets cold. So, kain muna kami mga palangga kasi gutom na talaga ako. Enjoy! Good morning! Good morning, mister!
I didn't realize it's morning. Okay.
It is, yeah, it's still morning. Yung oras dito is 11:38 na ng umaga. So, it's almost afternoon. And Mr. is having his lunch. What? Is it nice? So, well done, Mr. Si Mr. kanina, he went for our shopping, grocery shopping, and for Mama, and I did ask him to get a baguette. And her
And
it
did
is.
he get a baguette? Look at the size of it. It's like an elephant's.
Yeah. Right.
How big a piece was that, my princess?
This, please, that size.
No.
Thank you.
Down the middle? So good is it? Just a little ring of it like this, you know. It's like that. You could make little ham sandwiches, couldn't you? Put a little bit of ham on it.
Yeah.
Just like that, it's just like
Can I try? The baguette is so fresh and soft.
Good, isn't it?
Very good. Pasensyahan niyo na mga palangga, ito yung mukha ko. I'm so tired from last night. 14 hours. That was my first ever 14 hours back at work. So, sumasakit yung buong katawan ko ngayon. But I'm pretty sure I will get used to it again.
Oh, gee, you're skinny, huh?
Yeah, please. I think that's it. So I'm still in my pajamas. Thank you. Hello. Hello, Phoebe, Pipa. Nandito tayo sa labas mga palangga. Nandito tayo sa ating barbecue house. I don't know if you can hear it, but merong mga birds na tweeting. Narinig niyo yun? So, naghihintay tayo kay Mr. mga palangga. Naglipid yung shooting. Tinanong naman niya ako kung gusto ko ba daw sumama, pero sabi ko no. Because I have a lot of things to do. Kasi, kailangan ko pa gawin yung mga dapat gawin. Kasi day off sa trabaho. So, kailangan ko naman pagtuunan ng pansin yung ibang mga kailangan dapat gawin. So, busy. Medyo puyat ako, papasensyahan nyo na. Uminom ako ng paracetamol para mawala yung mga sakit sa katawan ko, pero still there. Kailangan lang talaga ng pahinga. Mr. is here, mga loves. There he is. Itong si Pipa. Oh, sus nako. Pipa, come here! Ang kulit-kulit niya. Hindi talaga makapaghintay. Nag-reverse si Jan. Pipa! Hello.
Washing dry?
Yeah, it's dry.
Good.
They're dry. Akala ko hindi siya matutuyo kasi gloomy day ngayon, walang araw. And mukhang uulan, so but I take the risk and nagsampay ako. So, 4 o'clock na dito. So, yung hapunan natin ngayon is lazy tea lang. Wala talaga ako sa mood magluto mga palangga. So, nung nag-grocery si Mr., pinabili ko siya ng pizza. And we're having ribs with it. Honey, are we having fries as well?
Probably don't need them, do we?
Yeah, I don't think so. We need it.
No, well, we'll finish up getting bread off as well.
Yeah,
Well,
okay.
that week's pizza, that.
So, ito. Ito, turn on lang natin yung ating oven. And hindi na kami magpa-fries kasi we're having that leftover baguette. So, yung ribs natin, narab ko na siya ng 5 spice. 5 spice, ano pa ba? Black pepper, paprika, and a bit of demerara sugar. And nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting oil. Yun lang. Ang bango-bango nito. So, yung ano pala ng ating pizza is ito. Yan. Yan yung flavor niya. Yan. Time's up! Whoa! So, nakikita niyo ba yung ribs natin? Ilalagay ko na din yung ating pizza. Luto na yung ating tea. Thank you, mister. Tea is ready.
Do it washing, not to wait. Very busy.
Okay.
Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! Pizza for me. Look at this honey bee.
Wow.
Smells good. Oh.
Smells so good. The ribs is here. Nandito yung ribs mga palangga. Yan na. Hala, nabiblink na kayo. Yan. Yeah. Thank you.
Actually, not a lot of tea, though, you know.
So, ito na yung tea natin.
Is it?
Nandoon yung kay Mr.
We can have a pudding anyway.
Tingnan nyo to mga palangga. Our first ever strawberry. Where did you get this? Which bed?
From the strawberry garden.
No, which bed? The new one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, this one here.
So, nag-order ako ng garden chair para kay Bianan para she can sit comfortably sa kanyang flat sa outside ba. Sa Amazon ko to in order.
That's it. That's that one.
Oh, I see. Try to sit on it.
If you look at this, isn't it? Oh. Yeah, no, you look at these.
I see.
With them. That looks at these.
How far it will tip over? So is that like the lock?
I think so. Would it be so?
So sabi ni Mr. yung ito kasi yung ano ni Bianan. This is what she wanted. So we get this for her, but John thinks
Yeah, but if that was vertical, she'd be able to get a fit right up to it and sit down, right? When you put that vertical to there, right? Okay. Yes.
so John thinks it's not.
But it's not because
Easy
you watch,
for
you
her.
watch what happens when I do this. When you sit on it, it all slides. And then you can,
They cannot see because of the shadow, sweetheart. They cannot really see.
would I want the chair on this? No.
So sabi ni
I don't know
Mr.
how she's going to get out of it. That's the problem.
So sabi ni Mr. Bianan will struggle using this chair. So
Because she can't get out of that.
well, we did try. That's what she wanted.
I know it's what she wants, but she won't do like this. Exactly. The problem is also.
Well, why not? We'll take that to her,
Well, she can try it, yeah.
and then we will let her try. And you need to explain her that she might struggle using that chair.
The next day.
Hello mga palangga! Good afternoon! So, nandito tayo sa labas. Oh! Okay. Nandito tayo para linisan sana yung greenhouse. But I think nilinis ni Mr. this morning. Hindi ko siya napansin or hindi ko nakita. Sobrang busy ko kasi this morning. All my morning talaga, I just spent it in my computer kasi tinapos ko yung cell biology ko. Yan yung assignment na ginagawa ko for now. Tapos na siya. Medyo natagalan lang ako kasi yung assessment na yan, kailangan mong i-graph yung sagot mo and sus nako. Yan yung mahirap kasi kung hindi ka marunong mag-graph, kailangan mo siyang i-drawing by hand and then basta sobrang daming mga patsurba-tsurba nila. Pero I'm done. Kailangan na lang siyang i-proofread before ko siyang i-pass. So, pahinga muna yung mata ko kasi pag hindi ko siya pinapahinga, hindi ko makikita yung parang spelling error. So, dito muna tayo sa labas para naman ma-refresh yung ating mata. So, dito, lilinisin ko na lang ditong side kasi hindi nilinis ni Mr. Yan. Nandito pa din yung mga pots na para sa ating neighbor pero hindi pa niya kinuha. Ewan ko lang sa kanya. And si Mr. wala dito. Umalis. Nandoon siya. Naglakad sa woods. Kasi wala lang. Sabi niya, he wants to have a walk. So, hindi pa siya nakauwi. Hindi pa siya nakabalik. So, samahan niyo ako mga palangga. Saan ko kayo ilalagay? Para makita niyo ako. Can you see me? If lalagay ko kayo dito. Yeah, you can see me. Tingnan niyo to. Nung nandito si mother-in-law mga palangga, sinabi niya sa akin na yung rosemary ko daw i-transfer mo sa labas. Kasi malaki na kasi siya, oh. So sabi niya, naka-establish na daw yung roots. So ilagay mo siya sa labas. Kasi it's taking so much space in your greenhouse. Sabi niya. So ita-transfer ko siya. Ang tanong, saan ko siya ilalagay? This is it. Hindi ko alam kung saan talaga. Sayang naman kasi kung itapon yung buong plants. Kasi you never know. Kailangan natin. Kasi si Jan, mahilig naman siya sa lam. And normally, pag naglalam ka, yung rosemary, it will go with it. No, I think it's a bad idea na ilagay natin siya dito. Yan. Hindi ako sure. I can see John. Naglalakad siya sa daan. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Yung ating strawberry, mga palangga, tingnan nyo yung old strawberry bed natin. Sobrang dami na namang what do you call this, damo? So, dyan ko siya nilagay mga palangga. Yan. So, hopefully, okay siya. Jan asks, what are you up to? The rosemary. Where are you gonna put it? Here? Where do you want me to put it? Any idea? Just leave it in there. Can you just put it properly?
This is for our lamb.
Can you put it properly, please? So we'll keep this mga palangga.
Leak was taken out.
Yeah, we'll get that leak out. So we'll save this and put this back in the greenhouse.
What we need to do,
So hopefully yung tinanim natin sa labas, mag-ano siya. We need to pull this leak out.
Yeah.
It's been there for ages. Come on.
why don't you bring the bucket down there? I'd use a bucket to do my side. Look.
Can you get the bucket,
That
please?
plant there, that tomato plant, that is the small ones.
Cherry tomatoes.
Yeah.
Be careful. It's stronger than you think, you know. Bye-bye, leek.
That's 2 weeks. That's grown into 2, look.
So, yun na. They're taking so much space kasi, kaya ayun. Throw them out. Ito, ibabalik ko to sa corner. Dito. Thank you.
And then what you could do, you could put a couple of your melons in there at that end, yeah. And what we want, right, and then nothing else. We'll put some,
Where do you want me to put the melons here?
I'll put your that rosemary back in, and then put a couple of melons so they can be trained this way, can't they, or whatever, right? And then you can put some lettuce seeds in between these.
No, well, yeah.
Or do we put them just on here, or put them in a tray and then pick them out? Might be better actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you
Well,
seen Michael?
yes, he hasn't got his greenhouse up. I said, Michael, I've got plants for you. Right. Will you have them in a week's time? I said, I can have. I said, right. I'm not holding my breath with you.
Oh dear. Ito.
Rosemary now.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
We have plenty kasi, oh. Pasensyahan nyo na mga palangga. Madami tayong kinuha na plants, melon plants. Kasi sobrang dami kong nilagay na seed. Sa isang buong pakwan yun. So, madami talaga. At hindi ko ini-expect na tutubo sila. So, ito na siya. 3 lang yung nilagay ko. We just see how they are. Are you comfy in there?
Yeah, look at my side. It's all nice and tidy.
Because you put them in there. That's unfair.
No cucumbers yet.
No cucumbers.
Yeah, they come in.
Are they?
I'll have some, yeah.
Good.
At least 2 there.
Good. Hello, girls.
So we have a variety.
How many tray do you want?
Well, should we do a tray for each?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold that for me.
That'll be 2 trays. Hold it. I don't wish to look at myself. Do you, Scoop? Look. How's it going, Fee? You been for a walk? You see Mikey? Come on, let's have some kind of... Poor Fee's gone deaf. Look, she's not even responding to what I'm saying. Poor bear. Look at her. She's happy. Peeper, you can't you see eavesdrop then? You know what I'm saying, don't you, Pip? Look at tail going, yeah. Phoebe! Phoebe! Look at it, doing not. Poor bear. Here comes Boss. The bossy one. Look at the size of her. She's so bossy.
What?
Nothing, darling.
There you go.
There we go. Right, I'm switching this off.
Okay.
Yes.
So, ito yung seeds ng lettuce.
Here we go. Lettuce.
Yeah, yan.
Put that there for a minute. There you go.
There you go. That would be plenty, sweetheart. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng marka.
On the side, darling, it doesn't wash off.
Huh?
On the side.
On the side.
Yeah, they're mixed leaves. Mixed salad, just put. And they are
Can you hold it?
little gem, like me. They call me Little Johns.
So, yan na. Nadiligan na namin. That's it. Clean the greenhouse. May mga soil kasi, oh. Kaya, ayun.
Water later. It's a bit tidier.
Yeah, it looks tidier.
Right, I'm going to take a break.